Hello students, now we are going to start with chapter 7 multiplication, and before we start with the chapter it is very important for you to know what is the use of multiplication. Why should you learn to multiply and when is multiplication applied? From class UKG you have been asked to memorize the times table. I know it has been a difficult task for you to memorize the tables, but still you have been insisted to do that. Why? Why your parents and teachers ask you to memorize table? What is the benefit of tables being memorized? And why should you learn to multiply? You will know all that in this video. Multiplication is repeated addition. Adding a same number repeatedly is called repeated addition, and it has been found that applying multiplication is much easier than to add the numbers repeatedly. Now look at this picture, children. We can see some flower vases with flowers inside. If I ask you to tell me the total number of flowers, you will add up the numbers in each vase. We can see that in each vase there are 3 flowers. So total number of flowers is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. That is 12. This is called repeated addition. You are adding 3 repeatedly, adding the same number over and over. This is called repeated addition statement. Repeatedly adding 3 4 times can also be written as 3 into 4. The number that we are adding is 3 and we have added it 4 times. That is why we are multiplying it with 4. So as we have learned in the tables of 3 that 3 4s are 12. So we can easily tell that 3 when added 4 times will give us 12. And now you can understand, students, that which one do you find more easier. And most of you I know have felt that multiplication is much more easier than adding numbers repeatedly. Here you can see, children, that flowers are kept in groups. In the first box there are 2 orange flowers, in the second box there are 2 yellow flowers, and in the third box we have 2 pink flowers. All the flowers are added together to show 6 flowers, and then it is written 2 plus 2 plus 2 is equal to 6. This can also be written as 3 groups of 2. Because here flowers are kept in 3 groups and in each group we can see there are 2 flowers. So 3 groups of 2 is equal to 6. This can again be written in multiplication fact as 3 into 2 is equal to 6. So this is how we create multiplication fact out of repeated addition statement. And here I have some more examples that will help you understand that what is a repeated addition statement. You can see in example 1, it is written 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. This is a addition statement, and as the number 2 is being repeated, so we call it a repeated addition statement. We can also create multiplication fact from an addition statement only when the addition statement is a repeated addition statement. Here 2 is added 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is written here 4. Then the sign of multiplication, and then the number that is being added is 2. So 4 into 2 is equal to 8. This you have learned in the tables that 4 2s are 8. In example 2, 7 is being added repeatedly. How many times it is added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is written here 6. And which is the number that is being added repeatedly? That is 7. So 6 into 7 is equal to 42. This also we have learned in the tables. Now just try to do this second one. If I ask you to add up the numbers, if you have to count the numbers and add up, 7 plus 7 is 14, 14 plus 7 is 21, 21 plus 7 is 28. If you need to count it in this way, you will need more time. But if you know that 6 7s are 42, you can give the answer within a single second. 6 7s are 42 or 7 6 are 42, both way you can write, the answer is going to be same. 7 is being multiplied, so you can write 7 then the sign of multiplication, and how many times it is multiplied? It is multiplied 6 times. Both will give you the same answer. Coming to example number 3, you can see here, this is also an addition statement. The numbers are added, but we don't call it repeated addition statement because the numbers are not repeated. The same number is not repeated. Here 8 has come 2 times, but there are some other numbers also. In number 4, 4 is being repeated a few times, and then in the same addition statement another number is added. So this statement is also not a repeated addition statement, and since these statements are not repeated addition statement, we cannot create multiplication fact of this. This is kept blank. We will not form multiplication fact from here because the numbers are not being repeated. These are not repeated addition statement. These are addition statement but not repeated addition. Here some other number has entered in the addition statement. Things will be more clear as we will start doing the exercises from the book. So this is the first page, page 99 of chapter 7 from your maths students book. Let's start with the let's go exercise. So it is given here that Chidwan lives with his parents and grandparents. The family is moving to a new house. There are 3 rooms in their new house. For every room they want to get 3 cupboards. So how many rooms are there? 3. And in each room they want 3 cupboards. In the next line it is told how many cupboards will they need to get. Find the answers using repeated addition. Now we have to give the answer using repeated addition. Please note this, children. Directly you cannot write the answer. There are 3 rooms. In room number 1 they will need 3 cupboards. In room number 2 they will need 3 cupboards. In room number 3 again they will need 3 cupboards. So total they will need 9 cupboards. The answer has to be given in repeated addition. Do not write 9 directly, okay? You have to write it in repeated addition statement. This is page number 100 from your math students book. Here in this page you can see, children, pictures of some books are given. The books are kept in groups. In each group we can see there are 2 books. So how many books are there in each group? That is written in these boxes. The first one is done for you. There are 2 books in each group. And total number of groups are 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 groups of 2 books. And 5 into 2 is equal to 10. So we have done first addition, 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, and then 10 is written. Again is in multiplication form. It is written as 5 groups of 2 is equal to 10. 2 more are given here. You can see here toffees are kept in groups. You have to write the numbers in the pink boxes. How many toffees you can see in each group. You will add up that and you will write the answer in this box. Then count the number of groups. Write the number of groups in this blank. In each group there are 2 toffees, so you will write 2 here. Multiply this number with this and then write the answer here. In the same way you will do this one. Here are 3 pencils in each group. So first write 3, add up and write the total number by adding. Then count the number of groups, 3 in each group, multiply and write it. You will realize that multiplication takes lesser time when it comes to repeated addition. Then we'll move to page 101. In page 101 you can see this one, number 1. It is given draw circles to make groups and write the multiplication fact. Here the statement is given 4 groups of 5. Pictures of some clips are given. These are called paper clips or tie clips. So these pictures of some clips are given. You have to make 4 groups by circling 5 clip in a group. It is written here 4 groups of 5. So in each group there will be 5 clips. We'll have to make 4 groups. So how we'll do is count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are 5 clips. Make a circle. This is one group. In the same way you will make another circle, another 5 clips, another circle, another 5 clip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another circle, and this leftover 5 clips, another circle. So here you can see that I have made 4 groups, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and in each group there are 5 clips. So it will be written as 4 into 5, 4 groups of 5, and 4 into 5 is 20, you know that. In the same way you will do the next one. You will make 2 groups of 4. Count 4 balls, 1, 2, 3, 4. Circle and make one group. The another 4 balls, make another group. You will see that 2 groups will be formed. You will write here 2 into 4 and then the answer. We have also done page 102 in the class, so I will explain you that also. As just now I have given you examples that how to understand that a addition statement is a repeated addition statement or not. Same thing is given here also. Find the repeated addition statement and place a tick mark against right ones and a cross mark against the wrong ones. Also write multiplication fact. So the addition statement, which are repeated addition statement, you will put a tick mark, and if it is not a repeated addition statement, you will put a cross mark. You have now understood how to identify that a addition statement is a repeated addition statement or not, and if it is a repeated addition statement, you will write the multiplication fact for that. That also I have shown you in this part. If you want, you can rewind the video and you can watch it once again. In this one you can see 0 is there, so 4 is not being repeated, so this will not be a repeated addition statement, and so multiplication fact for this cannot be written. In number 3, draw balls in the boxes to show the multiplication fact. The multiplication fact is given here. It is written as 3 groups of 4. You can see here 3 boxes are given, and in each box there are 4 balls. So this is 3 groups of 4 balls. You will have to do the other 2 by your own. 5 into 2 is given. 5 boxes are already drawn here. In these 5 boxes you will draw 2 pictures. It is asked to draw balls, but maybe drawing a ball may be a difficult work for you, so no need to draw a ball. You can draw a circle simply. In all the boxes you will draw circles. Okay, and here, since there are 5 groups given, 5 boxes are already drawn, so we will write here 5 groups of 2, because we will draw 2 balls. It is written here 5 into 2, so 5 groups is already given, and in each group we will draw 2 circles. 4 into 6, here also 4 boxes are given, so it is 4 groups already done, and in each box we will draw 6 circles. So this is all about today's video. We will learn something new in our next video. Till then, goodbye children, and take care.